Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel again. Your one-stop guide for everything related to CA exams. If you are new here, I am Pooja, a chartered accountant. I have an experience of working for Ernst & Young and KPMG, and I help CA aspirants like you succeed with practical tips, strategies and support. So guys, if you are preparing for the CA Foundation Business Economics paper, then this video will help you with a solid 1.5-day revision strategy along with some smart exam hall tips to score better. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Every subscription works like a motivation for me and it also makes my day. So guys, when you visit my channel in the playlist section, you can see there is a separate playlist for CA Foundation exams. So here you will find different videos regarding different types of study plan, subject specific guidance, etc. And there is also a playlist for business law. So here I have made videos on how to present answers for business law, both for case scenario based question as well as direct theory question. And then there is also a playlist for CA Foundation Business Law, Indian Regulatory Framework recorded lecture. And there is another playlist for CA Foundation 1.5 day revision plan. So in this, for all the 4 subjects, you can see as to how you can revise in 1.5 day. That is, after each exam, there will be 1.5 days time, right? So if you want to know how to revise in those 1.5 day, you can watch this playlist. Apart from that, there is also a playlist as CA GPT for students. So in this I have made video where I have shown how you can use CA GPT, that is the different techniques in which you can use CA GPT for preparing for your exams. So please visit my channel and do watch the videos in this playlist and make the most out of it. So first let's discuss the 1.5 days revision strategy as to what all you will revise one day before the exam. So first you can go through the Saransh. So this is available on the BOS knowledge portal. So Saransh is the summary of all the chapters in the form of charts, flowcharts, bullet points, diagrams, etc. So this will help you in revising all the chapters quickly. And then if you have prepared any handwritten notes, you can revise that. If you have your own notes, you can go through that. So since this is a MCQ based paper, focus on definition, concepts and keywords. And then at the end of each chapter, in your study material itself, there is a section as points to remember section or summary section. So you can study this also. So this is like a gold mine for MCQ based questions. And then again at the end of each chapter, there is something called as glossary of concept. So revise this glossary thoroughly. MCQs often test exact terms, definition and meanings. And then also in the BOS app, whenever this live virtual classes and live virtual revisionary classes were conducted, some revisionary notes and assignments were uploaded in the app by the faculty of ICI. So you can go through that also. These are concise and these are exam aligned. So this will also help you in your revision. And also, as I have suggested before, I hope you all have prepared a formula sheet. So revise all the formulas from that, especially formulas relating to elasticity, cost curve, national income, money multiplier, etc. So MCQ frequently test direct formula application. And then go through all the practice questions from the ICI study material. This is very important. Many exam MCQs are directly taken or they are slightly twisted from the ICI study material. So make sure you go through them at least once in the last 1.5 days. And apart from this, go through the mock test papers and the revision test papers also. Because sometimes same type of questions will come in the exam. So ensure you go through those as well. And also if time permits, go through the model test papers also. You can revise that quickly once. Now some exam day tips. So since this is a MCQ based paper, you can use elimination method in your exam. So if you do not know the exact answer, what you can do is strike out the unrelated options first. So this will increase your chance of guessing right. And the next tip is don't get stuck. So don't waste too much time on one MCQ. If you do not know the answer for a MCQ, just move on and return later to it if time permits. And the next tip will be attempt the easy questions first. Start with the straightforward MCQs you are confident about. This will help you build the momentum for the exam. And then in the second round, you can attempt the next ones which you are next confident about. And also there is negative marking for this paper. 0.25 negative marking is there. And the next tip is read the MCQ carefully. So many MCQ depend on keywords like not, always, except. So read what is the keyword in the question and then only choose the correct answer. So basically these are the trap words. So if you don't read these words correctly, you might end up choosing the wrong option. So guys, that's your 1.5 day revision plan and exam hall strategy for the business economics paper in CA Foundation. So these points were actually discussed in the ICA webinar, and mainly this was focused for the CA Foundation September 2025 attempt. However, if you are attempting in January 26 or your attempt is in May 26 and you come across this video, you can still go through the video because more or less the strategy and the tips will remain the same. So remember, clarity of concepts plus lots of MCQ practice is the key. If this video helped you, do share the video and like the video. And also subscribe for more exam strategies. All the very best. I am sure you will ace your exams.